Howdy folks, welcome to the Gold Coast Art School. My name is Stephen and we're going to have a go at colour matching again. Now, if you've been watching our channel, you might have noticed that we were having a go at mixing different swatches. If you want to expand your knowledge of what is actually behind the colours, you should try this little exercise. Today we're going to have a crack at this. When I first saw it, I thought, oh, that's grey. Yes, it's grey. But we looked at the grey page and this is not so grey. So I'm just going to plonk that down there and I'm going to have a go at mixing it. Now, what colours do you see there? I can see there's a blue. Is it a greeny blue? Not really. Is it a violet blue? Probably more like it. So our violet blue is the ultramarine. So I'm going to start with that. Now clearly, that's not the colour we want. It's far, far, far too pretty blue, isn't it? Mm-hmm. So it's also needs a little bit of white in it. So I'm going to go and put a tiny bit of white. Add some more. Now it's really showing up the blue value. I tell students this sometimes, the two blues, they're so dark, it's sometimes hard to tell the difference. And I would say, well, when in doubt, just add a little bit of white and you can see the direction where that's going. You can see how that is going towards a very violet, beautiful blue. Okay, now, it still needs to be a bit more purple, so I'm going to put a little bit of this, but I think this is the wrong red, but I'm going to put it in anyway. Oh, it's nice and sloppy so you can't see it. Ooh, all right. Mm-hmm. Getting closer all the time. It's getting close, isn't it?
Getting close.
However, one thing is it's too dark, so I'm just going to put a tiny bit of white with that again. When you're doing this at home, just tap a little bit of extra, just put it to the side and just add a little bit at a time. It's better that you add small baby steps to this colour mixing thing. Now we're getting closer to the tonal zone. Squint test time, still probably a little bit, and it's a little bit too purple. So what's the opposite of purple, Jess? Yellow, very good. So we whack a little bit of yellow in there. Don't want to put too much but ooh,
that's totally...
I just lost it.
Oof.
It's gone grey now.
Yeah.
All right, so we have to get back in there with the purple. 5-5. Okay, so a little bit of purple. There's the purple blue, and then a little bit of the purple red, which is crimson. Mush up a bit of purple on the side. Okay. We might lose our blue altogether. It's going to go grey now. Yeah, we're losing the blue. I love it when this happens. This video may take 3 hours, so if you'd like to get something to eat and come back later, I should be almost there. All right, what's missing now? It's gone blue. We need the blue back. Okay, bring the blue back. Blue back, blue back. All right, putting the blue back in there.
And which blue is this again?
That's still the ultramarine. I haven't gone phthalo yet. I thought when I put that yellow in there, I've already killed it. But it has still got, that's still just too blue. I need to bring that crimson around. It is slight. Oh, actually, I might steal that purple. Yeah, we're starting to haul it back in, do you think? Getting there. Now, it's gone too dark, so I just, tiny bit of white. I'll nick some from there.
Oh.
Now we need the blue back. Ah, look at that. Okay. Tiny whisker of blue. Tiny bit there. Oh, it's gone too blue again. Stop that. Bring in the purple again. Oh my goodness me. That's not what we want. Now we have to do the yellow. What I'm going to do this time though, I'm just going to use a little bit of the lemon yellow and see what that does. How much is that? Not a lot. Just see what that does. Put it at the side because I'm scared now. Nah, it's still gone too brown. Wrong, very wrong. You know what I should have done?
What?
I should have put yellow in the phthalo. There's yellow in the phthalo, so maybe I should have used that blue. So now we've got to go back These greys are complex, aren't they? I knew that. But they're fun. So I'm going to go back to original blue. Good old Ultra. Put it back in there. Add the crimson. Oh, too much. What a pretty colour. Another
It is very pretty.
one of the reasons I like doing this exercise is along the way. Notice how I always leave little half moons of the colours I've already done, because you come across some really interesting colours along the way. And be mindful of that, because you might be surprised you can use those colours one day. I'm going to actually bring the blue back in, but I'm going to use the pretty blue. Now this is going to get very dark very quickly because it's phthalo. Wow, look at that. Now, we put a bit of white in there again. Just tap off the excess. Might do it again because I'm really scared. Oh, look at that. Now we're getting somewhere. Now, it's in the right zone. Don't know how we got that. Well, I do. We're at the stage now where it's okay to just do a little test patch. And what you do is you just do a little dab on it. Because when it's getting close, it might look right, but you won't know until you do a dab. Now, I was looking at that colour against the white, and I thought to myself, ooh, it's too light. But when I've tapped it on there, you can see it actually is correct. It's, if anything, it's too dark. So we just put a whisker of white. I've got some over here. Might nick some of that. We're so close, I don't want to wreck it. So just put a little bit. There you go. Pretty, oh, still dark. It's very close, isn't it? So yeah, that's a little bit darker, so you can see that little echo there. That's because I pushed into that, the actual bulk of it. It's probably a micron off. It could be the tiniest whisker of white again, but you know what? If I do that, we will be here for the rest of our lives. Well, thanks for watching. That was fun. Almost didn't make it, but hey, we got there via about a billion other colours. But look at those colours, they're so beautiful.
Yeah.
And even though they change radically, the thing is they're analogous. These colours are related to each other because it's all basic, it all came from ultramarine blue.
Thanks so much, everybody, and we will see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and all of that.